fans, running kimono. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of February the 12th to the 18th, and it is smack dab in Valentine's Day. So Walgreens will probably be really, really busy on Monday the 13th and the 14th for the last minute Valentine's Day shoppers. If you do not have a Valentine's Day, one of my cats, Gizmo, wanted to put this in the video for all the single ladies and guys out there. You can be his Valentine because he loves everybody. So happy Valentine's Day in advance. Expect on the 15th, which is Wednesday, probably the Valentine's Day merchandise will hit 50% off, as it always does after a holiday. Typically for Valentine's Day, they don't stock as much at Walgreens. It's not like Christmas where it's like 2 end caps just full or 2 aisles and end caps full. They really want to do a quick clearance, so expect that it'll go 50, maybe 60, 75. It'll be really, really quick. They need to make room for both St. Patrick's Day and Easter to get more stuff on the floor that's seasonal, so that stuff will go very, very quickly. Let's hope, especially if you love the Valentine's Day candy. Okay, a lot of us received this morning, which is a booster. This is $10 to Walgreens cash when you spend $50. Interesting piece of info for you guys. I made a whole dedicated video about boosters yesterday. If you didn't watch it, check it out. I'll link it at the end. Again, for this booster, the window is valid from the 12th to the 18th. Even though it's in your account right now, it's not valid till Sunday the 12th. It is also of a one-time use. And yes, it stacks with a paper booster. And for the balance, pay with your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it'll mess things up. For this 3X meds, which is also valid next week, I made a YouTube short yesterday to kind of decipher and to show you the different math equations to go with this. Again, I'll link it at the end if you wish to have more info. Now let's talk about the deals of the week. We have a lot, and I think it's Super Bowl this weekend as well. So lots of food like chip and pop, that sort of stuff, pizzas. That's what a lot of these stores will be pushing out the door right specifically now. But one deal that really kind of captures my imagination is with the TRESEMME, $6 to $7. So it's TRESEMME or Dove hair care. And there is going to be a 7 off 3 digital coupon, $5 reward when you buy 3 of these magical shampoos. So grabbing 3 of the cheap TRESEMME or Dove you pick, whatever's tagged at your store, that's $18. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $11. Getting back a $5 store register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Our super deal of the week is with the Colgate Optic White at $3.99, $5 reward when you buy 3. Plus, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that's going to be showing up on Sunday. Grabbing 3 of the Optic Whites, that's $11.97. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $6.97. Getting back $5 store register reward, making it $1.97 for the 3 or 65 cents per. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Looking at other deals, again, more food because of the big game this weekend. And then with the detergent, buy 1, get 2 for free on Arm & Hammer. And $12.99 for the Tide Care. There's $3 digital, so that would drop it down to $9.99. If you have one of those boosters like spend 50, get back 10, that might be an excellent filler item. I always like to get it with that. And this deal is probably the detergent deal of the week, which is $5.49 for Bounce, Downy, Gain, or Tide Laundry Care. Earn a $5 reward when you buy 3. Now, here is the $65,000 question for us. Are we going to be getting both a $5, with this promotion, is this the one only, or is it going to be a $5 store coupon or a manufacturer, and then this one, which is on for P&G products only? We don't know. However, I'm going to try and figure this one out on Sunday morning. I'm going to load the following, which is $1 off for the Tide Pods Tide Liquid, and $1 for the Downy or the Bounce Dryer Sheets you pick. Grabbing 3 of these products, and again, I got to get a mix match because I have those digitals. That's $16.47. Subtracting the $3 coupons, you're paying $13.47. And hopefully we get back 2 $5 register rewards. That will have to be tested on Sunday morning. It would drop it down to $3.47 for the 3, like dirt cheap. Alternatively, it could be $8.47 for the 3. Again, this one has to be tested on Sunday, but there is a window here for some cheap laundry care, and wouldn't this be nice? Now we have another deal for the Dove or the Dove Men's Body Wash at $7 a pop. Earn a $4 reward when you buy two. If you have like a $50 basket, and you wanted to throw this in to really bulk up the basket, that would be super smart. We currently have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2, so make sure that you have this one loaded. Grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, subtracting that digital, you're paying $11, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per body wash. Double, triple check the Fetch Rewards app if there might be a rebate. You know, sometimes things do pop up. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn that register reward, but what a smart little deal. Okay, so this next deal is for all the parents out there, 2 for $21 for the various Huggies packs. Now, a lot of digital coupons are expiring this weekend, so hopefully on Sunday morning we get new ones. But if not, we're going to look at a quick deal using what we have. We currently have a $2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that one loaded. And then if you go over to your coupons.com app, there's another $2 that you can apply for. Fetch Rewards app has a bunch of different rebates for different sizes and variations of Huggies. You're going to have to go through your account, but like $2 you're probably going to get back. Grabbing 2 of these Huggies for $21, subtracting the $2 digital, you'll pay $19, get back a $4 register reward, $2 back from Fetch, $2 back from the coupons.com app, making it $11 for the 2 or $5.50 per bag. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash as long as you're not using a booster in concert with this deal, but like make it happen, guys. These little 4 packs of Cottonelle, Kleenex, or Viva, $4.99. Good measure, let's throw in one of these candies for 33 cents. And then we're going to use one of these elusive store coupons. To use this successfully, your total has to be $5.01. If it's $5 or $4.99, this will not scan. You'll get an error message at checkout. Grabbing both a Cottonelle for $4.99 and a candy for 33 cents, that's $5.32. Subtracting the $5 store coupon, you're paying 32 cents, and I think this is a super smart deal. Cottonelle is part of a catalog over on the Fetch Rewards app, so definitely take a picture for that app. You might get back a couple extra points. Now we have a soda deal, 3 for $12.99. I remember back in the day when it used to be $8.99 for 3. IBOTTA has $1.50 back for the 7-Up Zero Sugar. If your store might sell this for larger markets, you probably have this. Grab 3 of these 7-Up Zeros for $12.99. Pay that, then make the $4.50 submission to IBOTTA. You'll get $1.50 back for each 12-pack, making it $8.49 for the 3 or $2.38 per. You're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to get your inexpensive soda. Let's talk about some quick honorable mention, guys. So different food deals for Valentine's Day. Especially if you have to grab like stuff for your kids' classroom, you want to get a couple bags of candy, use some Walgreens Cash to just do this on the smart to get it on the cheap. That might be a deal pour vu. And then more food. I always love to see that Oscar Mayer bacon 2 for $10. That's cheaper than any store around here. And BOGO free for the nice nuts and the cashew halves and all that stuff for keto dieters. I'm just looking for keto treats right here. 3 for $10 for the Blue Diamond, another fantastic deal. If you still might have one of these register rewards lingering in your coupon wallet or your wallet, $5 off a P&G product. You got to buy specifically P&G items. Well, this is a P&G product for $5.89. It is this larger Dawn dish soap, so that would drop it down to 89 cents. I think that's a super smart little dealio. And then the last slide we're looking at, again, more cheap, inexpensive detergent. If you look below, we have BOGO free for the Purex. And $10.99 for Cascade. Throw in a $5, P&G register reward. $5.99. Use $5 of Walgreens Cash and pay 99 cents. And then the other 2 detergent deals we were looking at earlier in the video. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.